Jumping right in, we're starting off with the Clairol BW2 bleach. We're going with the Pure White 40 Volume Developer, Adore Clear Rinse. First, I put my gloves on. You want to make sure you're protecting your hands. That's first thing. I'm going to be highlighting this wig that I made using UNICE hair, Indian Natural Wave Guysssss hair. This is 2 20-inch bundles, 2 22-inch bundles, and 1 18-inch closure, and I did cut the ends a little bit. So I'm gonna be, giving some life to this hair, some color. So first, I'm gonna be taking my powder and I'm putting in 2 scoops of this powder inside of this bowl. And then I'm going to be pouring my 40 volume developer in there, and once I'm done, I'm going to mix it until the powder completely dissolves. And then I'm going to be sectioning my hair actually. It's easier when you section the hair beforehand, just so that you know like the next section that you're going to go and bleach once you're done. So you want to make sure you go ahead and do that first. Once I'm done sectioning the hair, I'm going to just go ahead and start going in and out using, you can use like a rat tail comb or a tail comb, whatever, and use that to go in and out of that, in and out of the hair. As you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain this part, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to kind of go in and out, and then you're going to create 2 layers, and you're going to be highlighting the top layer. So once I pull that hair apart, I'm going to be highlighting the top layer of the hair, and I start from the bottom upward because it just makes it a lot easier. When you start from the bottom up, I feel like the bleach kind of holds that section of the hair together, so that it's a lot easier for you to like make sure that you're not like missing any part of that section, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the next section that I have already prepared and ready to go. And as you guys can see, I'm going in and out. I'm using the brush, the end of the brush. It just makes it a lot easier for me because I'm already using the brush to apply the bleach, so it's like whatever, by the way guys, a little bit about this hair. So I have been wearing this hair for like about a week now, just regular black, 1B color. I like it. I really love the consistency of it. This is like really good hair, so I know it's gonna like I hope it takes the bleach well, and you guys will see what happens in the end of the video, but this is some really good hair. So check out UNICE on AliExpress. They actually have their own website, so it's UNICE, UNICE.com. Check out their Guysssss collection of virgin hair. It's very affordable. If you're looking for bundles, like really good bundles that are affordable, check them out. I'm going to leave all their information down in the description bar below. So this is what it looks like after I'm finished completely bleaching, putting in the bleach in the hair. And now I'm going to wash everything out using my silicone mix bamboo conditioner and shampoo. And this is how it looks once I completely rinsed out the shampoo and conditioner. It's such a pretty like color. I love how it looks. This is the perfect brown highlight color. Now I'm using my Got2b glue and putting that on the front of my hair. Since it's a closure, I'm not going to do it all around my perimeter, just that section where I'm going to be putting the closure. And then I'm just going to put my stocking cap on once it dried a little bit and got a little tacky. I'm putting that on so that it's secure. And then once I put my stocking cap on, I'm going to go ahead and put that wig on. I left it overnight to dry, so this is pretty much like how it looks once it dried. It's a pretty wave, and it's still super like bouncy and still wavy. I want you guys to see the color, so I moved the background. But this is like the perfect highlighting brown. I love it so much. And this is like my new everyday wig for the summer. So I ended up wanding it. If you guys are interested in seeing how I wanded this hair, make sure you click on this part 2 video down here in my end screen below, and you guys can see how I got this completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I love you guys. Bye.